Dua when you sneeze. Achoo! Alhamdulillah. All praise is for Allah. And the listener will say, Yarhamukallah. May Allah have mercy on you.